Homer, say hi to YouTube. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So, get you guys a little farther out there. Yeah, look at that. Wow. An extendable pole. So yeah, we're back on the flatbed project today. And you can see I kind of did some stuff off camera. Original plan was to not put the deck boards on until I painted it, but there's so much little stuff I need to correct and adjust. I have a feeling once I actually use it and stuff, I want to add some slider ratchets, but I don't really know exactly where I want to set them yet until I use it. So paint, sadly enough, is going to come last. But what we are doing right now is we need to figure out the front where the hook goes. Pretty much on a cable, you got your big, I guess it would be like an eye hook, and you hook it on, and there's like a doghouse. So that's what we're working on right now. Kind of thinking in my head, kind of what going off my other bin I have. But here, let's get you guys turned around. You can check it out. Ta-da! Okay, so here's the front of this thing. Yeah, you can see back deck boards are on. So what I'm thinking, and I love your guys' input, but probably by the time this video comes out, I'll be done. So, let's see if I can get you guys. I always forget how to zoom out on this thing. Alright, so here's the front. So what I'm going to do is cut this piece of steel to go up here, about a foot up. And we're going to cut all this out. And then a big piece of C-channel, what I have over there, will go here. The hook will go on it. It's going to get welded, side plated, and this is going to become a toolbox. And then the deck boards will continue all the way down over here. So this will be open. This front will be kind of open, but it'll still be a box. So yeah, let's get to fabricating. So, like I said, this puppy will go right into there, like that, and then I'll go on that side, push the sheet metal that's bent. Well, let's see. 14 to the top, 14 and an 1/8. So 14. Technically, I should clean this up for welding. So let's grab the grinder. Let's get this little tack. Right here. Double check. So measurement 14. Hair down. Perfect. there, man, again. This needs to get pushed to there. Not really sure how I'm gonna do that by myself. I don't know if you guys can see, but this panel is pushed out a little bit. It's dented out that way, so I want to try to get pushed in. So that's where Tree Johnson would come in handy, but no, doesn't answer his phone. I'm gonna remember this day. You guys are all wondering, Casey, aka Tree Johnson on YouTube, is a family member and lives across the street. This is all bad. All bad. All bad. Oi! Almost dropped you guys. Got ya. I got you. Can't forget about my YouTubers. Seriously? Hello. All right. Battery died on this thing, but here's the front C channel welded in. You can see my welds. You can judge me. So the hook will be on this, and then I'm going to plate this in and kind of enclose all this area. But yeah, let's keep on welding. You guys see here, kind of built my own hook. But what I'm working on is, so you can see, so there's a gap between these two. I'll weld all that in, weld all the way around here, multiple passes around the back, and this is going to be the hook. So the hook goes over this to pull the bed on. Technically, yes, you can go buy pre-cut hooks, or you can plasma your own. Of course, I'm going to bevel these edges a little bit so it's not so sharp, but I want to get it all welded on here first before I do that. So, start with helmet. Let the machine do its duty cycle. We'll cool it down for a second. I have this thing cranked up because this is 1/2 inch plate and this is 1/2 inch plate. 1.25 inch separation right here. My butt hurts. Well, it's the next day, and we're still working on this though. I figured it's probably gonna be a good 25 man hours to 30 to do this thing right the way I want it. So what I'm working on right now is, you can see I had to cut this area out for the doghouse. So I'm gonna plate this in, weld it to here. Same with over here. I gotta do a little bit more grinding. Just clean it up, and then weld this sucker up here. And then kind of changed my mind a hair last night. What I'm gonna do is put a cross member against this, and then I want to build little small chain boxes so I can hook my chains and they can sit down there instead of turning this into a chain box, because there might be a chance I might want to add a winch somewhere around here, maybe a little bit above. I'm not sure just yet, so we will find out on that later. But yeah, let's get to work. A little bit bigger of a gap there. This thing's a little twisted, but get the picture. Say hi to YouTube. Someone needs to fix the exhaust, Devin. Alright, so me and the kid are back on this. My wife and daughter are doing girl stuff in town. And yeah, so pretty much what we're doing. Apparently he wants to do a dance on screen. We are finishing the deck boards. So, we got all this laid out. Got this cross member in, hook. So we're gonna go deck boards to that corner right there, and then in cave deck boards. We got him doing it all, not me. I'm gonna drink beer and sit back and relax. That would be nice of me, huh?
Definitely.
I never do that.
I would do it if you would pay me.
I'll pay you? This kid, he works one day and gets paid on something, then he expects everything to get paid. Okay.
No, I just asked you for work to get paid.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna butt.
Pay me the saw.
You know what? It is time to do If you guys have made it this far, please like and subscribe. There'll be a lot more to this roll-off. Probably finish this series in part 3. Not much left.